Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really interesting unboxing slash unpackaging to share with you guys. Going Gear reached out to me on Instagram and said, hey, do you want to check out our monthly EDC Club package? And I looked into it and I thought, yeah, that actually does sound really interesting. GoingGear.com is awesome. I have recently checked out their website and seen everything they've got to offer. So I'm going to be linking GoingGear.com down in the description, as well as the EDC Club. What is this? So basically what this is it's a package that if you signed up for it and you wanted to be a part of the EDC Club, it's a subscription service. And what they do is they send you monthly EDC gear consisting of, it says right on the website, knives, flashlights, and there's also some exclusive stuff that you can get, only through this EDC Club. So that makes it really interesting. Some people are really going to like this, especially if you're somebody who's constantly spending money on knives and EDC gear month by month. It's kind of fun to have something sent that's random. Some people like to know exactly what it is all the time. That's fine. But I, being somebody who unpackages a ton of stuff on this channel and somebody who really likes the, being surprised by what's in there, I was like, yeah, absolutely. I would like to check this out. So I'll leave a link where you can check out the EDC Club down below if it's something that you're interested in. Please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There is, of course, a link for that right down in the description. All right, so I have no idea. So this is the October package, and I have, ever since they told me they were going to send it, I have intentionally not looked up, because other people have this already. I've intentionally not looked up what's in here. So we have, first we have a Kaiser. Okay, interesting. And then what is this? Ooh, interesting. Freaky slim system. All right, squeeze there to try. Oh wait, so you squeeze it and then it releases the, is that what it does? No tools, no broken nails, just squeeze. Hey, okay, that's interesting. I mean, that's actually kind of handy. I have a problem with my own keys, actually, because I've got stuff that I really want to carry on my keys, and it's kind of, they're all like clunked into the same place, and if I have to take something off for one reason or another, it's kind of a mess. So some people might really find that handy. I'll get the knives out here in a second, but let's see what we've got in here. All right, I am excited about this. Oh, hey, there we go, Kaiser Mini Sheepdog, awesome. So I mean, oh wait, is this, what's the material on this? Is this micarta? All right, so this is a 154 cm Kaiser Mini Sheepdog. Great flipping action. We've talked about this knife before, and I really like this one. Here's what's cool about this, is that the Kaiser Mini Sheepdog in green micarta, this is a Going Gear exclusive, and the value on it is $85, which means, in this package, and I think this is generally the case, the items in the package are actually worth more, or sell for more retail than what you're paying for the package, right? It is random and you don't get to know what it is, but it's nice that, I mean, in this case, $60 got me the interesting key system and a knife that I legitimately like, and a knife that I have legitimately given a good review to on my channel before. But it's neat that this is green micarta and a blue pivot collar and in 154 cm. That's cool. I mean, exclusive knives are fun. Let's see here. And then the X-Attack free key system is about $7.50. So you end up, in this case, you end up with 90 stuff. Would have cost you $92 to pick this up. Yeah, so you guys know how I do my stuff on this channel. Basically, I get people sending me messages on Instagram, different knife companies, and they want me to check out their stuff. And I'm very thankful for that. I'm fortunate in that I'm in that position. I pick and choose the things that I think are interesting, the things that I think you guys might actually like. It's not just based on, here, we'll give you this if you do that. No, I'm going to be honest about the stuff that I put on this channel, and I'm not going to recommend things unless I think they're actually cool. So while this may not be necessarily for people who really want to know exactly what it is that they're picking up, I think a lot of people will really like just knowing that there's a package coming every single month that is going to contain interesting and unique stuff or exclusive stuff, right? And actually, yeah, for the first package, I'm I'm pretty excited about this. This is really, really cool. So Going Gear, thank you so much for sending this. I'm looking forward to more of these in the future. Like I said, if you want to check this out, there are links right down in the description. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.